I didn't quite understand that usul, that principle that once once a reason is given for the commandment, in the West you'd think if you're giving a reason, it would further make it more of an obligatory.
No, the reason is making it understandable why it is not could be compulsory. Not it is any reason. So that reason is given a reason, and that reason makes it you to think that it's not compulsory, but not anything being given a reason doesn't make it compulsory. That's not true, because fasting in Ramadan is compulsory and it's fard, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had given the reason. Why? Taqwa, increase of the taqwa. No.
Questions online. The first question is giving each person their own plate of food disliked, or is it better to eat together?
The best thing for you, as we have said before, is the barakah, to eat together. Allah will put blessings, rather than to have this, each one his plate. So big plate, and all of you to eat from it. That's the best thing. And Allah will put barakah, and you will see that lots of food will be left over. Because that means that food will be, Allah gives a barakah. But when you eat, each one on his own, there will be no barakah. That's what the Prophet said to that person when he said, Messenger of Allah, the food of ours is not enough. He said, لَعَلَّكُمْ لَتَجْتَمِعُونَ عَلَيْهِ. Maybe you don't really get together to each one eats on his own. Yes. Okay, so get together, Allah put barakah. Once they did this, they were not complaining of the lack of the food. But I wouldn't say it's a command. It's not a command. Now.